Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you an order I just got in from the Crafted Butterfly, and their store is at thecraftedbutterfly.com, but they're also on Facebook as the Crafted Butterfly and Instagram as the Crafted Butterfly. But if you live close to Plant City, Florida, they are a shop that has opened up there, and they have home decor, scrapbooking, handmade crafts, local art and decor, and I'm over the moon thrilled with it. This is the rice paper I got to go with my bee journal. It is really stinking adorable, and the prices are really good too. I mean, I got this blue rose for $2. I love it. It's a Stamperia decoupage. I think it's absolutely beautiful. This is the Alice, Queen Alice, and it's door and Alice and it's decorative chips, and then these Oriental decor, I believe it is. And then, you know, I love anything botanical, so this is absolutely gorgeous to me. And all of these chips are Stamperia. I love this. Oops, sorry. It's the wall with the tree and the vines growing out of it. And then here's another Alice in Wonderland one. So I got this pack of paper, and it's the Stamperia paper. I haven't opened this one. Well, let's see. Let's do all of these down here first. Okay, here's another one of the rice papers. And I think these are just absolutely gorgeous. And they're restocking their store. They should probably have a lot more in there after the holidays. I haven't opened these yet, but the prices are really, I hate to say it, but they're cheaper than the place here in Tampa. But this is what it looks. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to get messed up. I'm going to get ready to do a blue journal. But these are absolutely gorgeous. I am going to open it because I have to see it. It's 10 double-faced acid-free sheets. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah, see, I've got a shadow because I've got the page held up. This is the back of the cover. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Look at that. Look at the journaling cards. Oh, I love them. And the backs of those cards. So you can just clip these on. Oh, look at this page. That's so cool. That'd make a good collage cover. Oh. These are very nice indeed. I'm not a big fan of Stamperia, to be honest with you, but I like this. These tags, they're awesome. Cool. I like this. And the backs of these also have the little frame, so you don't have to glue them down. You can just clip them on, which is what I usually do. Oh, look at that envelope. I really like this. This is really pretty. Another sheet, collage. There's just so many possibilities you can do with this. Okay, next I got this, and This is by a company I have not bought from before, so I wanted to try it. And it's big. It's a lot of paper in here. This is from, what is the name of this company? 49 Market. Sorry, I've lost my glasses, so I can't see what it says, but it's 49 Market. 49 something Market. But this is a super cool pack here. Like I said, they have all kinds of different paper. They got graphic 45, this 49 Market. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous. These are sticker sheets. Kind of, if you wanted to, you could actually cut them in strips easily. It was washi, which may be what they intended it for. Here's another one. Gorgeous. All of these are punch outs. Wow. You got your tabs here, some tickets, some great papers for collagen. Oh, look at that border. I really like this. Oh, and a chipboard. Oh, I really like this because you can design it the way you want it. No, you can't. I got it backwards. Oh, that is beautiful. I really like this. I like this a lot. Hope you can see it all. Yeah, I'm going to move my camera across this after the first of the year. That's beautiful. And this is also two-sided. Ambrosia. I really like this. Vintage artistry. Oh, I love this colors in here. This is gorgeous. Ooh, I like this page. I don't know if you can see it, but you got your little measurement over here on the side that you can use as well. Oh, nice, nice, nice. This is going to make a spectacular journal. Awesome. Love it. I just love everything about this bag. Gorgeous. So much you can do with this pack of paper. And there is a lot in here. I mean, there is a lot. This is one pack, y'all. Oh, that is stunning. This is good quality too. It's really thick. Love it. It's really thick. Oh wow. Love it. I wish this company would put out something in a nature theme, or if they do, I may email them and ask them if they will see if this company puts out nature themed, because this is really a great paper. It's not paper as far as it is so much for your money. Wow. Super awesome. Okay, I am in love with this page right here. Wow. this will last me a right good while, because of the plans I have for it, it'll last a right good while. I love this paper. And like I said, you know, I'm going to contact them and see if they can get nature themes or woodlands or, you know me, I'm into nature. So if they get anything botanical or nature theme from this company, I will be buying it. So in this pack it says you get one each of 6 limited edition 12x12 pattern papers. And this is the Vintage Artistry Collection, Edition Volume 1. You get one each of 2 12x12 laser cut out sheets of elements, one each of 3 washi strip sheets, Sage, Coral, and Sky, one each of the original Vintage Artistry and color papers from Sage, Coral, and Sky collections, 4 papers from each color collection for a total of 12 sheets. I don't know about you, but it felt to me like I was even on 12 sheets. But I love it. Absolutely love it. So, check them out, and like I said, it is the craftedbutterfly.com. You can get it this way, don't you? craftedbutterfly.com. And it doesn't take them long to ship it off, but you know, with the holidays, if you go in now and buy, you won't get time after the holidays. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. And give them some business. They're new, they're just starting out, and they'll treat you right. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.